Hello everyone, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to top 5 Taiwan's MRT station with unique public art. Taipei MRT is something essential for people living in Taipei. And besides the unique public art in some stations, each line has its own music to play when the train approaches the platform. Number 3, World Trade Center Station. Oh, it's a face of a child. I couldn't tell when I was standing so close. I've only seen the split flap displayed at the train station's timetable, and I've never thought it could display this way. This artwork called The Moment We Meet. While this one features the face, other artworks features other body parts such as the eyes, nose, mouth, hands, and feet. Let's go find out. Walking through the 100-meter long hallway, the artwork from one side represents the future of human body, while the artwork from the other side represents the future of spirit and race. And this artwork, The Moment We Met, has won the Art Creation Award and the Best Internet Popularity Award. Public art is normally built into two sides of the hallway, but in this MRT station, they have it inside the wall and also on the ceiling. The concept, in a way, is trying to deliver walking through a person's life. And there are a total of 12 artworks in this MRT station.